How do you feel about our MASUNG group?
I think that's everything amazing. You first, guys. You're brilliant, and we really appreciate the way you welcome us in this way. That was the first time here in China, and we are really happy for this exchange of values between me and you. And I want to thank April for the great job that's made, because everything was clearly perfect. So thank you very much, guys.
Thank you. And we do hope you have a great time during this trip.
Yeah, obviously we had a lot of good time, and really I don't know how to thank you, because it was all perfect.
Yeah, and both of you and Alfredo, your family, you are all welcome to come to our company, come to China, next time. Always be welcome.
We would like to come back to China, because our first site was brilliant, was amazing. So we are sure we are coming back soon.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.